Find A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, and D 4 comma 5 are the vertices of quadrilateral. Then find the area of the quadrilateral. Find the area of a quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral. Right vertices A, B, C, D. A is minus 5 comma 7, minus 5 comma 7. B minus 4 comma minus 5. C minus 1 comma minus 6. D 4 comma 5. These four are the vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. Now draw a diagonal BD. BD is the diagonal. In this question, he asked to find the area of quadrilateral. This BD divides the quadrilateral into two triangles. This BD divides quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles. So we find the area of this triangle and area of this triangle. Finally, add these two triangles areas. Total area is the area of quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. We know the formula. If A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2, C x3 comma y3. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half mod simple way x into y minus y plus x into y minus y plus x into y minus y. Notation 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 3 2 2 3 3 1 1 1 2. This is the notation. 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 after 3. 3 after 1. 1 after 2. Okay. Now find the area of triangle ABD. Right. A minus 5 comma 7, B minus 4 comma minus 5, D 4 comma 5, x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Area of triangle ABD is equal to half mod. These values are substitute in this formula. Half mod x1 is minus 5. Next y2 is minus 5. y1 7 plus x2 is minus 4, y3 5 minus y1 is 7 plus x3 is 4, y1 7, y2 is minus 5 minus x1 is minus 5, x2 is minus 4, x3 is 4, right? Next y2 is minus 5, right? y3 is 5. y3 is 5. y2 is minus 5, very good. y3 is 5. y3 is 5. y3 is 5, right? Next y3 is 5. Next y1 is 7, right? Next y1 is 7. Next y2 is minus 5, right? Half mod minus 5 into minus 10 plus 5 minus 7, so minus 2, plus into minus plus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 tens are 50. Minus into minus plus 2 fours are 8. 12. 4 12s are. Add 50 plus 8 plus 48. 106. 106. So 1 by 2 into 106. 5 3 square units. 53 square units. This is the area of this portion. This portion is 53 square units. Next, we find the area of this portion. So, B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, D 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5. Now area of BCD. Area of BCD is equal to half mod. Now right here x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. These values substitute in this formula. Half mod x1 is minus 4. Next y2 is minus 6, minus y3 is 5 plus yx2 is minus 1, y3 is 5 minus y1 minus 5 plus x3 is 4, y1 minus 5, y2 minus 6. Do simplification. Minus 11 plus minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus 5 plus 6, half mod, minus into minus plus, 4 11s are 44, 10 plus into minus, minus, minus into plus, minus, so minus 10, 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4, 38, 38, half mod 38, so half into 38. Square units, 19 square units. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So area of ABD is 53 square units plus area of BCD is 19. So 53, add 53 and 19, 72 square units, 72 square units. This is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Actually, he given 4 vertices of quadrilateral ABCD. He questioned, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. First, draw a quadrilateral ABCD. Mark vertices ABCD. Then draw a diagonal. This diagonal divides quadrilateral ABCD into 2 triangles. So find the areas of these 2 triangles. We know the formula of finding the area of triangle is half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for finding the area of a triangle. So First, find the area of triangle ABD. Right here, ABD vertices ABD. Write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These values substitute in this formula first, then simplify. We get the answer 53 square units. This is the area of the triangle ABD portion. Now, find the area of the remaining portion. Remaining portion is a triangle BCD. So, write vertices of BCD. Write x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These values are substituted in this formula first. Next, simplify. We get 19 square units. This is the area of this portion BCD, triangle BCD. We want total area of quadrilateral ABCD. Quadrilateral ABCD, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. These two triangles area, add these two triangles areas. This is 53 square units. This is 19 square units. 19 square units. Add. We get 72 square units. 72 square units. Okay? Okay.